Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. I'm a little hungry and it's a little cruel for me to talk about food, but I think we are going to be introducing another Hakka dish here, another popular one. 夏天了，你应该介绍一些清凉一点的、清爽一点的。
超啊，让大家的胃口大开的，
好的，
酸酸甜甜的，
酸酸甜甜
的。
Okay, a little sour, a little sweet, sour and sweet. That's good. 好啊。
好，那今天要介绍就是西吻西草里面的其中一种哦。
西吻西草，这个一定要学起来哦，就是四闻四草嘛。
对，总共8道菜。
Yes, it's the standard 4 stews and 4 stir fries from the Hakka cuisine, and this is one of them. Okay, 好啊。
好，今天要介绍这道菜就叫做旺里煮西草糯米。
凤梨，我知道凤梨嘛。
对。
Perfect timing. It's summertime. Pineapple is in season. This uses the pineapple as one of its ingredients. Okay, 凤梨，然后后面什么？
煮西
是要煮什么？
不是，是猪的某个部位。
哦，是啊，肺吗？
猪肺，对。
Oh my goodness. Pig's lungs. You know what? I've heard about this. I've never tried it before.
其实我也不太爱吃。
Okay, 煮西。Okay, what if I don't want to eat pig lungs?
其实你也可以把它换成猪肉。
Okay.
那如果实在你吃素的朋友呢，那你也可以把它换成一个素的材料。Okay.
Makes sense. You can actually replace the pig's lungs with, just slices of meat, if you will. Or if you want to go vegetarian, just add more veggies to it. 然后炒什么东西？
炒木米。
木米是什么米吗？
就是木耳。
木耳。Oh, that's a very healthy ingredient. It's called the tree mushroom. 其实现在国人很喜欢吃木耳。So it's the pineapple stir-fried with pig's lungs and tree mushroom. 好，那这道菜怎么准备呢？
我们当然就是刚刚那个3个材料嘛。我们首先呢就要用起油锅，然后把那个姜把它爆香。
OK。
之后呢，把煮西丢下去炒，先炒熟了之后呢，再把旺梨还有木米把它丢下去一起拌炒，然后再调味就 OK 了。
OK， 那调味是自己看你要怎么去调味了。
对，如果喜欢吃酸的哈，就加一点醋。
Okay. That's why it's a little sweet and sour. But basically, you use some ginger slices. You stir fry it first with the pig's lungs. Take the pig's lungs out after it's well done, and then you put in the tree mushroom and also the fengli, of course, pineapple. Don't forget about that. And finally, put back the pig's lungs and stir fry it all together and season it to your own taste. All right, so this dish again is called 叫做
旺梨煮西炒糯米。
All right, another delicious dish right here on Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
安子谁长来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.